Vlogger ka, Jisoo? Hi guys, I am ping.cjestrada. Welcome back to my channel. So today is another house update vlog here at my home at Casamira South. So today is gonna be a cute one because I just adopted a puppy. It's very hot here now. It's 12 noon, and actually I just got home from the Lungsod sa Naga because I bought some stuff for the puppy. I got the puppy yesterday, and it's her second day today. So let's go check it out. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Okay, so before we introduce our puppy, I have another update as well here at my home, which is for the past few weeks I was asking for plants, no? So my auntie, shout out, and Edsky gave me plants. So here, as you can see outside, there's a lot of plants already there. And I bought that Chinese bamboo, but it's not clear because of the grass outside of the other house. And there. And then okay, niningawas. Manghi siguro siya. Malibang. Hoy! Hawa, nakita na yun noon. Jisoo! Ayaw, di na kainit. Na-reveal na ng puppy rin noon. Kapag gani, excited na si Jisoo gawa sa camera. Hindi na naka Jisoo, kapag ito naman sa first update gani. Also, lastly, part of the deliverable sa CLI here, the developer here, was the Bermuda grass. So they also installed the Bermuda, but it's not something the same bitaw sa usual nga carpet Bermuda. So I guess I need to have another supplier to put the nice Bermuda. But they said that it's just gonna scatter, so we'll see. So this is it, the main part of the vlog, introducing to you my puppy that I adopted from Kevin's ate. Meet Jisoo. Hi Jisoo. Say hi to the vlog, Jisoo. Hi Jisoo. Hi Jisoo. Iba po, sino mo kanahan kanin? This is Jisoo. This is Jisoo. She's a puppy. She's a girl. She's a girl. And she is an Aspin. Pero nandun siya half labrador. So we don't know her actual birthday, so we just assume that she is 2 months old. She doesn't bark, but she just cries. So she has already a teeth, and yeah, she is teething, no? So I don't know you guys if you follow me on Instagram, but I posted this one. This is a training, pee pad training something. So this is supposedly to train her to pee here. So yesterday she peed here once, and she never did it again. She is so silent, guys. Maybe she's just wondering why it's that. Agay. She is so behaved, guys. She just sits and then like that. She doesn't bark. I bought you your treats. I bought her dog treats. The Azu. This costs 135. Mahal mo yung treat. And I went to Mr. DIY to buy her toy. It's a toy. And her collar. Pink kay Jisoo man. Kailan mo Jisoo guys? Black pink ba? Sige. Nang kanin. Tadak to. Hindi pa di masigo niya eh. Buka. Yan na lang. Play. Okay. She likes the toys, guys. Na. B. Oh. Yung hindi ko lang kami. Oh, hago. Isuka, Jisoo, isuka. You want treats, Jisoo? Okay. Basic. Come on. Hindi, lang gani. This. Everything. Okay. Dali. Isa lang. Hindi ka na nani. Agak, patay. Okay. I bought this one in Shopee. This is a pet inducer. Dili siya mo focus ikan Jisoo siya ni focus mo sigduwa. It's a pet inducer, so it should when you spray this one to an area, it should train that dog to be there, no? So I tried to put it there once yesterday, and it was effective one time. And then I also bought this focus ikan Jisoo pero may focus ng sigduwa. This is a pet deodorizer, so every time like mo pee or mo poop sila somewhere in the house, after cleaning it, you can spray this one so that the smell won't be there anymore. And they also said that it's going to prevent the dog to pee or poop there. So we'll see. So this is my second day with Jisoo, so let's see if it's effective. I also bought like pee pads in Azu, and it costs a fortune. It costs 25 pesos each pad, and I saw on TikTok and Shopee it's way cheaper than there. So next time I'm gonna buy a cheaper ones there at TikTok. But I think I'll just train her or will train her to pee and poop outside, no? So every time we're gonna walk, but not right now because she's still too young and she haven't been vaccinated yet. So right. Gahi. Kita na. Lipat ka. Nih. Ha? Sigo pa ang bagong. Oh. Mana? Mana kay ligo? Kitugnaw. Oh, iusik-usik dia. Okay. So, muna. That's it for today's vlog, no? Higda-higda ko Jisoo. Hope you guys enjoy this video. And I hope na you will subscribe. And we'll see how Jisoo grows. Hopefully she's gonna be responsible though and cute. So she's going to be my companion here. She's gonna be my stress reliever. I always wanted to have a dog, and this is my first dog, adopted dog. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace and love. Ako ay glass. Ang kayo imo ko. Bye bye.